Pull up like on Suave, showing shit without no lens.
Hey Sean, we gon' make their ass feel this one. Slow that shit down.
Yeah, nigga.
Hey, Azra, you fucking with this one?
Weed on ass, what's in my cup?
Nigga.
Yeah.
Draco made a hit with this.